Alright, I'm still out in front of this real old house, right up on the corner by the sidewalk, and I got something that's promising. Right here, can't tell what this is. Looks silver. It was only about that deep, a few inches deep. See what we got here. Oh man, this is I think this is a really old dime. Oh, it's a seeded effing dime. Oh, 1842. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh man. Oh man, I'll get up pictures. This is just friggin' amazing. It's the best coin out of the yard so far. Man, this is awesome shape. Oh man. Okay, later. Alright, I got a nice coin. I'm in front of this old 1860s house, and I found this out on the corner, and it was only like 3 inches deep. 1842, seeded silver dime, and guess what, folks? It's an O mint mark. New Orleans Mint. I'll put up nice pictures of it, and I am just stopping for today because I cannot beat this find. Man, I can't believe it. What a beauty. Anyway, later.